we have to subtract algebraic fractions. How we do this? We need to have the same denominator. Let's first check what we have in the denominator. We have a minus 2, a plus 2, and 4 minus a. 4 minus a, we can rewrite that this is 2 to second power minus 8, a to second power. So it will be difference of two perfect squares here. So let me copy first fraction. And the second, we can rewrite that this is 2 to second power minus a square. And the last we will copy. So now let's rewrite this again. So it will be first fraction 2 plus a over a minus 2 will copy. And the second denominator we can use difference of two perfect squares formula. When we have a square minus b square, this is a minus b times a plus b. So we will have 2 minus a times 2 plus a, and numerator we have to copy, plus a minus 2 over a plus 2. Now let's see what we have here. We have 2 plus a plus 2 is the same, and we have 2 minus a and a minus 2. So if we factorize negative sign, we will get the same expression in parentheses. So we can factorize negative 1 from this term. So first fraction we will copy, and always we can change because we always put the variable first. So it will be a plus 2 over a minus 2, and now we will have 2a over negative sign we factorize, so it will be negative 2 plus a, and 2a we can rewrite that this is a plus 2 plus a minus 2 over a plus 2. So this is equal. First fraction we will copy, and next negative and negative give me positive, and we will have 2a, negative 2 plus a, so will be a minus 2. We can rewrite times a plus 2, and the last fraction a minus 2 over a plus 2. Let's check our denominators now. We have a minus 2, a minus 2, a plus 2, a plus 2. So the least common denominator, what will be? We have to put a minus 2 times a plus 2. So now first denominator we have only a minus 2. So now I multiply this a minus 2 by a plus 2. So if I multiply denominator by a plus 2, I have to do the same with numerator. So it will be times a plus 2. The second denominator is exactly the same, and the third we have only a plus 2, so I need to multiply by a minus 2. If I multiply denominator, I have to do the same with the numerator. So now denominator we have the same, and in numerator we have to do multiplication, a plus 2 times a plus 2. So every expression in the first parenthesis we have to multiply by every expression in the second parenthesis. So it will be a squared plus 2a plus 2a plus 4, and the second, of course, I forgot, I make mistake. We should have here negative sign. Here is negative sign and negative sign. That negative we change to positive, but the second sign is negative. So we have plus 2a. Denominator is the same, so we don't have to do anything. So we just do copy, and now we have negative sign, and denominator we have to copy. In numerator we have to do multiplication every time in the first parenthesis times every time in the second parenthesis. So 2 times a is a square. A times negative 2 is negative 2a. Negative 2 times a is negative 2a. Negative 2 times negative 2 is positive 4. So now when we have the same denominators, we can copy denominator. We have a minus 2 times a plus 2, and we can add, when we have addition and subtraction, we start from left side. So we copy first a square, 2a plus 2a is 4a plus 4, and we have next plus 2a, and next we have negative sign, so we have to put negative sign, and in parentheses we have to put this whole expression, so it's a squared, negative 2a and negative 2a, so it's negative 4a plus 4. So this is equal, denominator we have to copy, and now we can combine the like terms, so it will be a squared, 4a and 2a, so it will be plus 6a plus 4, and now when we take down this parenthesis we have to change the sign, so this is positive, so now will be negative a squared, negative, so will be positive 4a, and positive, so will be negative. So now we see that we can cancel a squared and a squared because we have negative and positive, and 4 with negative 4. So what we have? 6a plus 4a, so this is 10a over a minus 2 times a plus 2. And of course, we have here difference of two perfect squares, so you can use this formula and rewrite denominator 2a squared minus 4. But this solution and this is okay, it doesn't matter which you use. This is my solution.